The RexONE can be assembled in various positions, but for the purposes of this video, we will demonstrate the RexONE being assembled with the frame on its side. Remove the wheels from the exterior pocket of the Rex bag, then remove the Rex frame from the bag. Once out of the bag, identify the head panel and locate the red release cord located between the head and center panel. Pull the red release cord while extending the head panel into the open position. Once the head panel is opened, locate and release the red release cord between the center and foot panel. Pull the red release cord while extending the foot panel into the open position. Once the Rex frame is opened in a flat or stretcher position, release and open the pull handle located on the underside of the foot panel. To release the pull handle, disengage the red release pin located at the base of the pull handle unit. Rotate the pull handle upward and lock into position. Next, install the wheels into the Rex frame. To ensure that the wheels are inserted into the correct side of the Rex frame, match the colored fender tabs to the colored Velcro strips located on the center panel. Push the quick release button located in the center of the wheel hub. Insert the wheel axle into the wheel axle port while maintaining pressure on the quick release button. Secure fender tab to the matching colored Velcro strip. Repeat on the other side. For ease when moving the Rex, adjust the head panel to a seated position. To adjust the head panel to the desired angle, support the head panel while releasing the red release cable located between the head and center panel. Push the head panel forward to the desired head panel angle. To move the headrest from the closed to open position, pull downward to disengage the headrest from the lock position, then rotate the headrest upward until it aligns with the head panel. Push the top of the headrest downward until you hear it click into the lock position.